Nancy Reynolds, your favorite public adjuster. I'm getting ready to go out, so therefore my face is unmade yet. I haven't finished fixing my makeup. Sometimes you can't even tell that I did makeup, but I digress. What I'm here to talk about today is the reason why I do public adjusting. And one of the reasons is a while ago, before I knew anything about this business, I had a loss in my home. I had damage from a frozen pipe, and I went directly to my insurance company, and of course I did get paid because it was a covered loss. However, I didn't realize at that time that I wasn't being paid properly. And let me tell you, it didn't cover all that it should have covered. We had to do a lot of the work ourselves to save money so that we could have our property fixed again a little better. It was a terrible contractor who did it. He did it for what little money we did receive. But like I said, we did a lot of the work ourselves. Years later, I found out that, oh yeah, I just wasn't paid properly. And all my concerns at that time with mold growing and why the insulation wasn't covered, etc., I found out as I became more involved in public adjusting. So that's the reason why I learned about public adjusting, and one of the reasons that I chose to go into this field is because I didn't want to see anyone else get, I hesitate to say ripped off, but not get paid properly. Let's put it that way. Insurance companies are in business to make money, not to give it back to you. We, as homeowners, are paying for the chance that we may have damage. And it's not that we're just paying for fire damage. We're paying quite a lot of little things that should be covered, and we don't realize that it is. I just don't want to see anyone get taken advantage of. And I have found that many people think they have one type of policy or are covered for something and are not. That's not right. I've had some people who've had major damage and are not covered at all. So, I don't want anyone to have these things going on. And that's why I am in this business. And that's why I want everyone to know about public adjusting. You know, only 5% of this country realize that there is a public adjuster and what they do. 5% of the country. That's not a big amount. So we need to pass the word around. What you need, if you would, please, is to subscribe to my channel and like it. Subscribing only gives you an update when I put a new video on. I don't do it quite that often because I don't want to be bombarded with emails every single day. So I limit the amount that I put on YouTube. But I do need you to like, subscribe, and pass this on to your friends and ask them to pass it on, so forth and so on. We need to get that word out to the general public. General public needs to know that they have rights. They don't understand their policy. We think we understand our policy. We think it's just straight on that, you know, when it says it's covered, it's covered. When it says it's not, it's not. We are so misinformed that it's a shame that we allow this to go on. And the more people know, the more we can be protected. Once you have knowledge, it doesn't go away. It expands your life. It expands your mind. So that's one of the things that I'm doing. It's trying to expand everyone's mind and understand their policy just a little bit better. Now, I'm licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I live in New Jersey. And maybe moving into other states as the time goes on, because I do want to travel. And my number is 609-670-7380. This is probably the only time you will see me without makeup. So take advantage of the fact that I am undressed, so to speak. I am not finished. And I'm not finished with life or with you understanding your policy. So let's get together. 609-670-7380 again. And I'm also on Facebook, Nancy Dello Buono Reynolds. DELLOBUONO Reynolds. REYNOLDS. Just like the Reynolds Wrap, but not related financially. Isn't that a shame? But anyhow, thanks for listening. I hope you do share, and I hope you like and subscribe. And I appreciate all your time. Thank you. Have a great day.